Hello everybody, welcome to my brand new video. In this video I'm going to show you how to cancel friend request sent on Facebook. Sometimes we send friend request. Suppose I'm gonna show you right now. That is, just I search a name and I send him a friend request. You can see friend request sent. So right now I will cancel my friend request. How you will do this? If you want to do, first of all you have to use Facebook Lite application. In Facebook application now, in new update, Facebook block it. So right now you can cancel your friend request only if you use Facebook Lite application. So just click on it. Next click on three dot line. At the top of the side you can find here three dot line. So just click on it. Then you will find such kind of interface and click on here settings. You can find here settings. Okay. Then whenever click on here settings, you will find such kind of interface and you will see here activity log, this one. Then just click on it, activity log. Then you will find such kind of interface. Okay, so just scroll down and at the bottom of the side you can find here view activity history. So just click on it, view activity history. Then you will find that is your activity. Okay, then you can find here this filter option. So just click on filter. Then you will find here category. So just click on category. Then you can find a number of options, but most important is here you have to select this is connection. So just click on connection. Whenever you click on connection, then you will find a number of options, but most important is that here you can see send friend request. So before going to the process, I'm gonna ask you something, guys. If you're new here in my channel, please subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon for getting new videos. Then click on send friend request. So just click on it. Then you can find that is those friend requests you sent. Just now I sent a friend request. If I want to cancel, so or if you want to cancel anyone, suppose you want to cancel this, so just click on this one and click on cancel. Right now friend request is canceling. So go back and you can find here date, June 15, June 12, June 11. Then just select anyone and click on this. Okay, so that way you can cancel your send friend request. Thank you so much for watching my video.